So hello guys, this is my next video lecture on Java programming. So in the previous lecture we learnt about inheritance in Java. Okay, so there is another one type of inheritance, that is multiple inheritance. That is, one class will will extend the state and behavior of two other classes. It is not supported in Java. Okay, it gives compile time error. Now there is another one topic called aggregation. In aggregation, what we do is it is also useful in code reusability. Let us see how. What happens is, suppose we had one class and there is one instance variable in it, say of integer type. But if we use another instance variable which is of object type, then that is known as aggregation. So certainly it is useful for code reusability. I need to explain you this with the help of an example. Okay. Okay, let us see what I can do. Yeah. So say for example, we have a class called student. Okay, just a minute. Yeah. So suppose we have a class called student. It has one instance variable, that is int roll number. Suppose we have another class named address which has string city, say. Okay, only string city, only one instance variable is there in it. Okay, instead of taking only string city, it is of no use. We could have also used string city within the student class itself. Okay, so what we have is, we have a student class which has an instance variable. It is int space roll number. We have another class called as address. Okay, and it has multiple instance variables, that is string, city, state and country. Okay, so what we do here is, we use another one object, another one instance variable which is of type object of address class, that is address space address within the class student. Okay, then what we do, we create a constructor within the student class in which we pass an integer type parameter to assign it to the roll number, then three other parameters which will be of type string only: string name, string address and sorry. What we will do is, we have a constructor within it whose name is only student, and it is a parameterized one. So first parameter will be of type integer to assign it to the roll number. The second instance variable that we have here is address. Okay, so for address, in address we have to assign values for each of the string parameters within the address class, which in this case will belong to this address object, that is city, state and country. So how will our constructor look like? It will have, first one will be student bracket start. First parameter will be of integer type, that is roll number, comma, string type, comma, address type, address. So then we will be using assignment statement, and here we will be using this keyword. Okay, so how we will assign the values? It will go like this: this dot roll number equals to roll number, then this dot city equals to city, then this dot, I'm sorry, in this case, so this dot roll number will be roll number, and then this this dot address will be address. Okay, so directly the values of the various instance variables of the address object will get assigned to the uh, through the formal parameter. Whatever address object comes, the values of each of city, state and country will get directly assigned to the address object used as an instance variable here. That is, this dot address equals to address. Then we will simply use a function called void display. Okay, so what do we display here? System.out.println. Then we print roll number, append character, append operator, inverted commas and space between them, then append character, append operator, then address dot city, then append operator, then address dot state, then and then append operator, address dot country. Okay, with inverted commas with space between them, in between this 3 instance variables of address object. Okay, so how do we invoke the object here, and how does it work exactly? So what we do is we create address in void main. We do address space address1 equals to new address of say say Noida. Then Noida will be the city, comma, Uttar Pradesh will be the state, comma, India will be the country. Okay, so an address object has been created and values have been input to it. Now we need to create an object of type student. Okay, so say student space Ram, name of the object is Ram, say, equals to new space student of roll number is 1, comma, we will pass the object address 1 here. Then finally Ram dot display, with the help of which we can see the roll number as well as the city, the state and the country. Okay, so I hope you understood it. If you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment section. I will attend to it. Okay, just a second. Yeah. After this, after inheritance, we have to learn polymorphism. So we have quite a number of topics in it. Then a lot of things are there after that. Okay. Yeah. So yes. So next topic will be Java. Next topic will be polymorphism. Okay. So this video is 8 minutes 30 seconds long. Okay, thanks.